Union Minister of State for Finance and Corporate Affairs Anurag Thakur, a hardcore politician from Himachal Pradesh who's been looking at the whole election process for the BJP in Jammu and Kashmir. Anurag, welcome. What is more important for you, the sweep in Jammu or the entry into the Kashmir Valley?
I think a larger goal than that. I think it's a win of the democracy. The people of Jammu and Kashmir has not worked on the agenda of the Gupkar alliance, who wanted to boycott the elections, who wanted to have a discussion with Pakistan rather than participate in the elections. But the people of Jammu and Kashmir, they have participated in the election in large numbers, voted in large numbers, and made a historic decision. In the 70 years, for the first time, these DDC elections are held, and people have voted in large numbers. This is the win of the democracy. This is the win of the state of Jammu and Kashmir. This win belongs to the people of Jammu and Kashmir. And I'm thankful to them for giving us inroads into the Kashmir also, where many used to raise questions whether BJP will have any single candidate there, whether BJP will be able to make inroads, will there be anyone to hoist the BJP flag. Today I can say we have won 3 seats. We had more than 14% share in that region, and in Jammu region we have done extremely well. And I'm sure, apart than BJP doing well, it is overall a win for the democracy. I think जमहूरियत की जीत हुई है, जनतंत्र की, लोकतंत्र की जीत हुई है, और उन लोगों को एक कड़ा संदेश गया है जो सीमा के अंदर और सीमा के पार इन चुनावों में डर, भय, भ्रम फैलाने का काम करते थे, उनके मुंह पे करारा तमाचा भी लगा है.
Anurag, the Gupkar alliance, which first said we don't believe in elections, and then they said that the central government and the BJP will come together to yesterday Mehbooba said, manipulate the DDC results, is now saying that Anurag Thakur and the BJP are making tall claims because the Gupkar alliance together, their numbers are more than yours. So they say that you're making tall claims. They are still the more significant alliance.
So let me just answer this in 2 parts. First, have a look at the PDP's performance. I think by next election, they won't have enough people to contest for the PDP. Even the NC and the other members of the Gupkar alliance won't have alliance with the PDP because their performance has been very bad. At the same time, they wanted to boycott the elections. They, were making such allegations that there will be terrorist attack, stop the elections, have discussions with Pakistan. At one stage, Mehbooba Mufti said, nobody will hoist the Indian flag, the tricolor in Jammu and Kashmir. She undermined the power of tricolor. मैं उनको 2 शब्दों में कहना चाहता हूं, तिरंगे की वो ताकत है महबूबा जी जो आप नहीं जानती. ये 130 करोड़ भारतीयों को एक सूत्र में पिरोने का काम करता है. And that is what Tiranga has done for us. And people have shown the place to PDP. At the same time, if you look at the BJP performance in Kashmir Valley, not only winning 3 seats, we had a full campaign, whereas they have been shying away from campaigning because people wanted to question them what they have delivered in last 70 years. Their families have ruled the state of Jammu and Kashmir for more than 7 decades. Abdullah and Mufti family. And what Kashmir Valley got? वहां के लोग, अर्नब जी ये कहते थे कि हमारे बच्चों को तो इन्होंने पत्थर दिए हैं या बंदूक दी है या अलगाववाद, आतंकवाद के साथ जाने की बात कही है, लेकिन अपने बच्चों को इन्होंने अच्छी शिक्षा और अच्छा रोजगार दिया है. They have been forced to join the separatist or the terrorist. Now the people of Jammu and Kashmir don't want to go with the separatist and the terrorist. They want to go with the nationalist people. They want to look at the development and peace. They want to hold the pen and write the history of new Kashmir, new Jammu and Kashmir. When the Prime Minister Modi is making new India, the people of Jammu and Kashmir will play a very important role with the new leadership coming out through these DDC elections, they will be writing the history of the new Jammu and Kashmir now. They will have the power to do the development work in the state of Jammu and Kashmir.
Well, Anurag, let me use you put it across well. You're a young leader. Let me tell you, viewers, what has been rejected today. I'm sure Anurag will agree with me. Mehbooba Mufti had refused to accept the tricolour, and she had said that as long as our flag is not returned, we will not hold any other flag. That kind of politics, I feel, has been rejected today. The whole idea for the restoration of 370 has been rejected today. People like Farooq Abdullah, who called for integration, Chinese support, they are the people whose views have been rejected today. Remember, Farooq Abdullah says, I am hopeful with Chinese support, 370 will be restored. The pro-Pak narrative has been rejected today, but more than that, if you look at the Roshni Act scam, corruption at the family level has been rejected today. But, Anurag, I think the important thing also has been the voting turnout. Your numbers and this election, whoever won, has been on the basis of very good turnout, much higher than in the parliamentary elections. Isn't that also very significant, more than just which party got what?
I totally agree with you, because the people of Jammu and Kashmir have made up their mind that they want to be part of this election process. Whether earlier Panchayat polls, BDC polls, now the District Development Committee polls. People have come forward. They have come out of the shells of this dynasty. And I think these parties who have ruled for last 70 years. And that is why there has been a huge turnout, and a voting percentage has gone up despite the fear propaganda by the Gupkar alliance. I think the security forces has played a very important role. The local administration has done a good job, and this has been fair and fearless elections, and I think that is a big win for the Indian democracy and for the state of Jammu and Kashmir. And Arnab, let me just say here, I've seen a lot of youngsters who have done very well. I see a huge potential in them that they're going to be the future leaders of Jammu and Kashmir. In the past 70 years, not many have got the opportunity to contest these kind of elections in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Even in the MLA and the MP elections earlier, many a times in many seats, there used to be 5% or 10% votes. And in the area of Wani, there also BJP has won, Dral we have won, other seats we have won. That clearly shows people are against terrorism. They don't want terrorism, they want tourism. That clearly shows that people want peace and development. And let me just take you back, 9 years back, Arnab, first time I made to your show, the prime time was in 2011, when I was doing the Tiranga Yatra from Calcutta to Kashmir to hoist the national flag. At that time also I was fighting for the rights of the Indian armed forces and for the state of Jammu and Kashmir. The stone pelting was on, 2,000 soldiers were, in the hospital, and they wanted to give greater autonomy to the state of Jammu and Kashmir. It is our party, the Bharatiya Janata Party, from Dr. Syama Prasad Mukherjee, from Narendra Modi ji to my generation, we have been fighting for the rights of the tricolour, for the rights of the Jammu and Kashmir, to have one nation, one state, one flag and one constitution. And we have succeeded in that, and people have appreciated that and voted in favor of that only in these elections.
Well, absolutely, Anurag. Well, congratulations on the entry into Kashmir for emerging as the single largest party. Big effort there. Thank you very much for joining us on the Naya Kashmir verdict. That's Anurag Thakur. Thank you, Anurag.
Thank you.